Hello, my name is Jose Montoya, and my project is going to be on mobile app development. What's going to be covered in this presentation will be what is a mobile app, what are the steps of development, and how is it like to be an app developer. Now, to start off with, what exactly is a mobile app? The term app is an abbreviation of the term application, a piece of software that can be installed on a mobile device. Some mobile apps come pre-installed on the device, but other times you have to download it yourself from an app store, like the Google Play Store, as an example. Some mobile apps can be hybrid apps, meaning they can be used on both a mobile device and desktop computer. Examples of mobile apps would be Instagram, YouTube, Netflix, Twitter, Snapchat, and the list goes on and on. And this is going to be the steps to building an app. Step 1, brainstorming ideas and research. To start off, you need an idea for an app. Obviously, you can't really build an app if you don't have an idea for the app. In this stage, you will think of the logistics and how your app will work and how your users will interact with the app. So, when you're thinking about the app you're trying to create, you need to keep in mind how your user will use the app. Another thing you will see in this step is the utility of your app. You'll see if your app has already been created by someone else, or if there's been an or if there are better alternative solutions to the problem you aim to solve with your app. Pretty much, when you're thinking about your app, you need to think, is an app the best solution to what your problem is? Because some people think that apps are the solution to your problem, but sometimes that isn't really the case. Step 2, development. In this step, you will begin the building of your app. Here you will work with your team and divide up the work. Your team will follow a schedule to make sure your app is delivered on time. And a lot of the major decisions will be taken here in this step, such as what operating system will this app be on, what devices will support this app. Step 3, testing. This is the part where you find the dents and kinks that flew under the radar. Here you will see what's missing to take your app to the next level. Feedback from your testers will help you optimize your app. Testing will help out in the long run because it will mean when you release your app into the public, your first users won't run into major issues that could have been easily fixed. Step 3 is a really important step in the development process, because if you were to skip this step and your users were to get a hold of your untested product, you're gonna make a lot of your users go away from your product because they're gonna be dissatisfied with what you give them. An example I can give you is a year ago, It's a video game called Battlefield 2042, and that game didn't had any testing for it, and it had a lot of issues day one, and a lot of the users went away from it because it was so unorganized, untested. So yeah. Step 4, release. When you finally get your final product, when you finally get to your final product, you will need people to actually download your app. So you will need a marketing team or plan to promote your app, because there's no point in making an app if no one's going to use it. And on top of that, after you release your app, you will need to maintain it. Problems will appear as time goes on, and you will be the one to fix them. Maintaining your app after it's been released is very important, because if your users see that you still care about your app even after you completed it, it shows that you're committed to helping your users out and to your product. And obviously, if no one knows your app is out there, then you're not really gonna get the users that you want. So what is it like to be an app developer? Writing software for a mobile app is the basic premise of app development. For simple apps like a calculator app, a small team of one can make it happen. But let's say you want to create a mobile app game, you will need a much larger team. You need a lot of organization if you want to work on a big project. Also, a large portion of app developers have excellent graphic design skills, which comes in handy for UI design, character design, and the overall look of an app. Thank you for watching my presentation. Have a nice day.